Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. The recipe that we are going to share today was made by an accident. Wait, let me explain. So I went to the fish shop and asked the shopkeeper to give me hilsa fish. And he said that they were out of hilsa fish, hilsa as an ilish. So since ilish mach is essentially a sea fish, and it comes to river to breed, and so like it has a different taste from the river rohu fish, and I really wanted to have a taste of some sea fish. So they said, I asked them whether they have some other kind of sea fish, and they mentioned surmai and singada and some other kind of fish. And I had heard of surmai. Surmai had been coming on my feed for a while, and there were a lot of Surmai Rava Fish Fry recipes on my feed. So I had some idea of it. So I went with surmai and got some for this recipe. Now, as you can see, it is pretty simple. You just have to make a paste of red chilies, ginger garlic, and some basic spices. The black thing that I had soaked earlier in the water was kokum, but you can use tamarind or just lemon juice instead of kokum. Now, after you have marinated the fish well with the paste, take some rava and little bit of maida and rice flour, and then mix it well with some dried red chili powder. Now you have to heat some oil of your choice on pan. If you want maximum flavor, you can add coconut oil, and then in the oil add some curry leaves, make it splutter, and in the meanwhile you have to mix the dry mixture and then take the coated fish and then make another coating of the dry mixture, that is rava, rice flour and maida. Coat it well from all sides. Make sure that every inch is covered to get that golden crisp layer on top of the surmai fish. And now you have to pan fry it or shallow fry it. You can also air fry this. Fry the pieces well from all sides and make sure to cover the edges as well. Fry them till they are beautiful golden brown in color. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel The Konar Cooks. If you're a vegetarian, you can opt for the same recipe and replace the fish with brinjal pieces. And I kid you not, it is really going to taste even better with brinjal pieces. Do try out this recipe at home and let us know in the comments if you want to see something in particular on our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.